I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study in college Premed. To truly excel, focus on understanding core scientific principles, not just memorization. Actively work through practice problems and case studies to apply your knowledge. Consistent, spaced review is far more effective than last-minute cramming. Build a strong conceptual framework from the start, and your learning will be much more efficient and lasting. This approach will set you up for long-term success. Active recall is a powerful tool. Regularly quiz yourself using flashcards or practice questions to retrieve information from memory. Try explaining difficult concepts out loud, as if teaching someone else. This reveals gaps in your understanding. Studying with peers can also be incredibly beneficial, allowing you to discuss and clarify challenging material together. These methods strengthen your neural pathways for better retention. Maintaining balance is crucial for Premed success. Develop a realistic study schedule and stick to it, allocating specific times for each subject. Remember to incorporate short, regular breaks to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as this significantly impacts your cognitive function and ability to retain information. A well-rested mind performs at its best. Don't hesitate to leverage all available resources. Attend your professor's office hours for personalized guidance and to clarify any difficult topics. Your university's academic support services, like tutoring centers, can also provide invaluable assistance. And speaking of staying organized, if you're looking for ways to streamline your daily routine, especially with healthy eating, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers. You'll also find other helpful deals there to support your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.